Everybody knows that Popeyes has delicious fried chicken, but ask any real fan what the holy grail is, and they'll say it's the Blackened Ranch sauce. The problem is, it's almost always sold out. So today I'm going to show you how to make it for yourself and have an endless supply at home. Stick around because this sauce is a game changer. Popeyes fans go crazy over this sauce. It's creamy, smoky, tangy, with a little bit of Cajun kick. But here's the secret, you don't need Popeyes to enjoy it. All you need is just a few pantry staples and 5 minutes. You'll need half a cup of sour cream and half a cup of mayonnaise. This will give you that creamy, tangy base. Then you'll need a tablespoon of ranch seasoning. This is a shortcut, but it gives you all that ranch herb flavoring. And here's where the magic happens. That smoky Cajun vibe that makes this ranch different from any other ranch. 1 tablespoon of blackened seasoning. That gives you that blackened punch. And then there's a few extras that will add depth to this sauce. You'll want to add in about a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of paprika. Then you want a dash of cayenne just to give it that Popeye spice. And then you want to add a little bit of lemon juice just for balance. To get the most juice out of your lemon, you're going to want to roll it a little bit so that the fibers break inside the lemon, and then we're going to give it a cut and squeeze it right in. Be careful not to get any seeds in there. Now you'll want to mix all the ingredients. If you really want to get it all combined, use a whisk. Alright, this will be best if it sits for a little while in the refrigerator so all the flavors melt together, but let's give this a taste. Wow, that has all that good ranch flavor with a nice smoky and tangy twist to it. No wonder people go crazy for this sauce. This sauce is at least a 9 out of 10, and the best part, you'll never run out of sauce again. What's your favorite fast food sauce? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd like for me to recreate it. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you won't miss our next sauce video.